Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and doing too well. I am your friend Smith and I welcome all of you on the channel Affiliate Millionaires Club. If you are new to this channel, first of all hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video you will get all the notification, because this channel is all about affiliate marketing, mindset, motivation and online business. So if you don't want to miss any video, come on, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So today we will talk about what are the online sources of passive income in 2019. See, it's the beginning of the year and we have to set some targets, some goal that up to the end of this year we have to create passive income from these different online sources. So we are talking about the 7 sources of online passive income in 2019, and I have write some points here, but before going to these points, let's take a look what is passive income. See, there's two types of income. One is active and one is passive. If someone work actively, maybe he's on a job or maybe he's on his shop. While he's sitting, he's earning the income. Someone on the job, he's getting the salary. When he quit his job, he will not get the income because he become inactive. When shopkeeper is not on the shop is closed, he's inactive, he stopped his income. And what is passive income? Even you are not on the job or even you are not sitting on the shop, still you are getting the income. While you are sleeping, you are earning the income. This is a passive income. While traveling the world, you are getting the income. Maybe you are not in the home or maybe you are not in the work, but still you are getting the income because you generate some sources to get passive income. This is a smart book, and all the richest person on this planet focus on this passive income. So if you want to be rich and if you want to set some goals this year, you have to focus on the passive income. And in online, I will give you some tips that how you can generate online income from these things. And the very first one is start a blog. It's very simple and it's very easy. It's free of cost. You can use Blogger or you can use WordPress. Simply write blog. What you love, just go through it, write it. You will get the money just by writing it, by typing it. If you don't know how to write, just hire the content writer. Pay them. You can go through Fiverr. If you have account in Fiverr, go through it and find the content writer, pay them and put their content, their articles on your website, on your blog, and by putting the articles, you will get in the money. How? Google AdSense will pay you if you have a Google AdSense account, and you will also get the private ads, plus you can sell your product on your blog. So simple. Okay, so second is ebook. If you're good in blogging, you can just write the ebook also, because you have so much content in your blog, and from that content you have to find out the best one, okay, a quality one, and write the ebook with that good quality content. If customers are coming on your blog, you have good traffic on your blog, definitely you will provide the quality based content or something valuable to your customers. He will definitely want to buy your ebook, okay, because you set some good image in the minds of your traffic persons, in the mind of your visitors. So this is so simple. Just by typewriting, just by writing, you will earning the money online. Okay, so find some good niche, and the niche, there are two types of niche. One is hot one and one is which you love most. So write blogs on both of them. Okay. So third one is lead generation website. This is again a good source of earning a passive income. Here you will not generate leads for yourself. You have to generate lead for someone third party. For example, an insurance company contact you that if on your website the visitor is coming and here we display the ad, so you have to send your visitor towards this ad. When he fill the form, he submit the form, you will generate a lead for the insurance company, and for that lead he will pay you. But you have to generate a content regarding the insurance, so that you can attract people towards your content, and through your content you have to drive those traffic towards the ads. People submit the form, whatever the proposal form have, you have to simply go through it, and by clicking the submit button you will generate a lead for the insurance company and you will get the money. Whatever paper lead income they set for you, maybe $3, $4, $5, it's all about, maybe $10, maybe $20, it's all about the proposal. So this is again you can do, you can generate lead for others company also. You have to simply create the content regarding that niche. So if you are able to generate it, then it's good. Otherwise you have to hire the content writer, go to Fiverr or find someone near your locality. Sorry. Fourth one is webinars. You can also do webinars. If you are good in speaking, come in front of public. You know, by webinars you can earn much more money. So if you provide something valuable to the public, you know, people will like you. They will also want to buy your courses. Through webinars you can sell your courses. When you get perfection webinars, put your webinars on the automation mode. You will also generate the passive income from the webinars, because webinars in today's world are on trends. You know, they are getting popular day by day. So if you go through this industry, if you catch this industry right now, you know, you have a probability to earn more and more income in the future. Fifth one, create a course. See, what you love most. Either you are perfect in cricket, volleyball, basketball, or you are a good player, maybe any sport, maybe you are a good woodcutter, okay, maybe you are a technical man, maybe you are a perfect in software system. Whatever you have, just create a course. What you learn, if you learn something, if you have some knowledge, if you are professional, just teach those things to other people to help them. You can sell your course online. This is a great source of passive income. You can see that there are many motivational speakers who are selling their courses, just online courses, you know, in this market. So this is one of the best thing right now. If you create any course regarding your profession, okay, with the good content and the valuable things, people will buy your course and the course will sell out just like a hotcakes. Okay, this is what we have to do. Fifth source. Sixth, YouTube channel. It's totally again free. You can open a YouTube channel totally free. What you love most, teach here to the people. Whatever profession you are, just teach about that profession to people. You can sell your course also through YouTube. Okay, and when your channel get monetized, you will get a payment from AdSense account also. This is again a source of passive income. So it's totally free of cost. And the seventh one is affiliate marketing. Again, it's free of cost in the beginning. If you don't have any product, don't worry. Find out some good product in the market, which is hot one and which is good one, which is valuable one. Sell those product to the customers on the online marketing. You will get commission of selling the product. This is also a source of great income. There are so many affiliate marketing in the world which are earning while they're sleeping, which are earning while they are traveling to the world. This is a great source of income in these days, and this will expand, you know, exponentially in many couple of years. So if you found this industry a hot industry, right now this industry is so much in trend, it's growing day by day, you know, growing day by day. If you opt this industry, this will get one of the huge passive income for you in the future. Okay, so if you're looking for some affiliate product, some good product which is valuable and which is hot in the market, I have offer for you. I give you a link below. Just go through it and find out what that products give you the offer, because in affiliate marketing and in any online business you need tools to promote your business. Without tools you will not promote your business. So I have the product with good tools and with very valuable and high quality tools. If you want to, you know, if you want to buy the tools, then this product is also good. And if you want to promote this product, you will get a handsome income, you know, 100% commission on the first sale and recurring commission 30% monthly plus car bonus. There are so many things. So these tools, you know, the offer which I want to provide you. You can also write a blog there. You can also make your website there. You can make sales funnel, landing page, bridge page. You can also go for the email autoresponder. You will get from that affiliate, you know, program which I offer you. There are so many things there. So go to the link which I give you in the description box. So these are the things which gives you passive income in 2019. That's the online passive income. So go through it. Whatever you like most, you can choose one of them. So this is about today's video. If you want to see more videos, come on, subscribe the YouTube channel and go through my old videos. I give you so many knowledge regarding the affiliate marketing. I also run a CLICKBANK series. Go through it, how you can promote your CLICKBANK product in different platforms of the social media. So see you soon in another video. Till then, have a great, fantastic and a wonderful day.